Hi, my name is Allison Stevens. I'm the coordinator and professor at the Advanced Studies in Ergonomics at Fanshawe College. Today I'm pleased to be here to talk to you about the Process Simulate Human as a ergonomics tool. I used this tool for many years at Ford when I was the technical expert there in ergonomics, and I'd like to share some of the powerful ergonomic tools that are built into this software. So, Campbell, could you just show us the simulation, the job that we're going to analyze today?
Sure.
We've chosen a 95 percentile male. To be honest, I usually use a small female because as we know, that's usually our limiting user within a workspace. But this just shows the capability that changing the anthropometry of your mannequin is easy enough to do. So the tool that we're going to look at today is the low back and the NIOSH. So we should all be familiar with the NIOSH. The tool actually calculates it easily enough for us, but it also has this added feature of the low back analysis. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the notes for low back and NIOSH. And what this means is while the simulation is running, it's going to give us in real time those two analyses. Camel, could you turn those on, please?
Sure. We go to Analysis Tools. Analysis Tools, we already activated NIOSH and the lower back. We just want to display the notes when we are playing the simulation. Click OK.
Okay, and we're watching those notes. And what we should see is right there, we're getting a flag, and we shouldn't be surprised that we have a flag in a NIOSH and a low back. All right, so we'll remember that posture and look at it statically afterwards. Continue on with the simulation. Let's see if there's any other postures that might be of interest for us for a deep dive. And again, there we're seeing a heavy load one-hand lift that we should probably deep dive. All right, and carry on. And so the carry looks like it's pretty good. It was that initial picking up of that. Excellent. All right, so the one that really caught our eye that is potentially something that we want to do a little bit more of a deep dive is that initial reach in the lower portion of the tray. Kemma, could you get us a static posture of that, please?
Okay.
And when we see it go, there we go. Okay, now if we can go into the tool and look at what the actual numbers are that are showing up for this static posture. So you have an ergonomic report. Actually, Camel, hold it there. I wanted to show that this is actually eye view, another feature that I really liked, especially if you're getting into some complex areas. So this there, as you can see, his fingers, and it's showing that he's looking underneath the trolley. So that's a very neat feature to see blind operations, what your operator might be able to see. All right, going a little bit further down on the report, please. All right, that yellow bar is showing us the compression. So as ergonomists, this is always something that we like to know. And as you can see here, we're over the action limit. So this is an area that we would then want to do potentially some further analysis on or an improvement in the job. And if you could go to the right, let's have a look at what the muscles might be doing in this posture. There we go. They're down below. Sorry. And those red, those red bars are showing us the erector spinae. So it's giving some estimates of which muscles are being activated in these postures and saying that that posture of that far reach and bend in is the one that needs a further deep dive or improvement. Okay. So again, thank you, Camel. If we can go back to the simulation, an excellent tool to get us on the right path of where within a job cycle is the highest risk elements of the task. So in this case, although a simulated task, we would ask about the process and why that lower tray is that low, and does that need to be used. Maybe we would instead redesign this trolley so that is much more vertical shelving instead of a horizontal at a low level. Anyway, the possibilities are endless. A very powerful tool that I just wanted to share with you today. Thank you.